Hi everyone, Ryan from Skye Avionics. It's been a while since we've posted videos of what we've been doing. It's just been so busy, and some of the projects we've been involved in, we haven't been able to take video pictures or content. But anyways, I'm standing here with a hand-carved model of the Martin Mars. One of the carvers that came to Campbell River last year had this. He carved this. He was from Vancouver, and so it was awesome to get it. So why do I have this out here today? Well, because Skye Avionics has been able to work on the Martin Mars for over the last 16 years. And we recently were able and privileged to go do the final 2-year tests of the altimeters, transponder, encoder, and pedostatic systems. So it's getting prepared for its final flight. It's going to be going from Sprout Lake in Port Alberni to Victoria, BC, where it's going to be moved into its final home there at the BC Aviation Museum at the Victoria Airport. So we put together a few videos here and some content about our day completing these tests, and so enjoy. So here we have the whole flight engineer panel. So in the nose here, let's go for a walk. They're hoping to have it in the water in the next couple of weeks. Tank area. Always a good thing to do, having your airplane, is a full-size life raft. I'm gonna walk down here. I'm gonna go up these stairs. Another cool little item we found on board here was a custom drop cord that we had made for operating the Martin Mars. So kind of cool to think that this is going to be going off to a museum with this guy. It's been an awesome day. We got our pedostatic, transponder, altimeters all tested, calibrated, ready for the final flight. The one challenge we had was mud wasps. Those guys, they work hard. They get right in there. So we had to blow everything out into the one static line. They were in over a foot into it. So fortunately it was a flexible line, so we could remove it, blow it all out, and now we're good to go, cleaned up and ready for the final flight. So awesome day, great to be part of it, and look forward to seeing it on its flight and then down in Victoria at the museum.